clouds have gathered, the sky turns to gray. A soft drizzle falls and fades the light away. But I don't mind it, no, I won't complain. This is the city of pines that loves the rain. The cold creeps slowly through the old stone walls. Jeepneys and waterfalls sing their calls. The pine-scented air feels so fresh and free. A hidden world inside the trees. Walking on Session Road, the lights start to blur. My reflection dances on the wet asphalt floor. We're caught in a moment under hanging mist. Every step a rhythm sealed with joy and bliss. They say the rain can make you feel alone, but here my heart has found a home. The chill on my skin